So we're on the mole part 2, so hopefully you're still with me and you haven't fallen asleep. So what we're going to focus on now is 9.6. So we've done conversions of mass into moles and conversions of moles into mass. So now we're going to be looking at numbers of molecules. So we're using this number here, which is Avogadro's number, okay? So first of all, how many molecules are there in 0.25 moles of water? Now to work out the number of molecules, all you have to do is to multiply your Avogadro number by your mole number. Okay, so moles by Avogadro number will give you a number of molecules, so it's done really easily. So 0.25 by 6 by 10 to the 10 to the power 23. Okay, so let's put that into our calculators and work that out. So I'm going to just do this right in front of your screen so you know how to do exponentials. Okay, so 0.25 by 6 exp 23. Okay, and my answer is 1.5 by 10 to the 23. So there's no problems in using exponentials there for your answer, all right? Again, next question here, part B, it's going to be simply your mole number, 7.2, multiplied by your Avogadro number, 6 by 10 to the 23. Okay, and that is equal to 7.2 by 6 exp 23. Again, your answer is another exponential, 4.32 by 10 to the 24. Okay, so there's your two answers there. Now we're going to move on now, because the rest of that section, 9.6 is exactly the same as that. You're just multiplying your numbers out there, okay? We're going to move on now to something that's a little bit harder, where you're going from your mass of a material to your number of molecules, okay? So there's two steps here. You have to convert from your mass to your moles. So remember, we're using this. So mass, if we're looking for moles, you cover over moles, and it is our mass divided by our molecular weight or our atomic weight, and then you multiply by your Avogadro's number, okay? So it's going to be 0.4 divided by the mass of oxygen, which is 32, because it's 2 by 16. So that'll give us our number of moles, so 0.4 divided by 32. STDs, that is 0.0125 moles. You multiply that by 6 by 10 to the 23. Okay, and then that will give us our number of molecules there. So by 6 exp 23, that works out to be 7.5 by 10 to the 21 molecules, excuse me. Now just be aware, girls, molecules is not the same thing as atoms. Molecules are groups of atoms attached together. If they'd asked for atoms here, girls, we would have to take a third step. So this is the number of O2 molecules, our number of oxygens stuck together, like this, okay? If they'd asked for us number of atoms, we'd have to multiply by 2 at the end, okay? But they haven't. They've asked us for a number of molecules, okay? 142 grams of chlorine. So again, we're going to have to work out our number of moles. 142 is our mass, divided by our 35.5 multiplied by 2. So 35.5 multiplied by 2. That is 71. So divided by 71, that will give us our number of moles. So 142 divided by 71, that is equal to 142 divided by 71 is equal to 2 moles. So 2 multiplied by 6 by 10 to the 23. That will give us our number of molecules then. So 2 by 6 exp 23. And that works out to be 1.2 by 10 to the 24. Okay. Now, what we're on now, ladies, is we are going to be continuing on just one question, 9.8, okay? So, let's just mess around with this camera here for a second, close. Okay, so we're going to continue on with 9.8. So they are looking for the grams of aluminium present in 6 by 10 to the 25 atoms, okay? And sorry, 2 by 10 to the 25 atoms. So you're doing it the opposite way now, okay? So, let's look at this. So 2 by 10 to the 24. So you're going to divide 2 by 10 to the 25 divided by your Avogadro's number, 6 by 10 to the 23. Okay, so 2 exp 25 divided by 6 exp 23. That works out to be 33.3. That's 33.3 moles. Okay, so we've now worked out, instead of having atoms, we've worked out how many moles we have, and then they're looking for grams of aluminium. So we're going to have to go back to this. So if we're looking for our mass, we cover our mass. So it's going to be moles multiplied by our atomic weight of aluminium. So it's going to be 33.3 multiplied by our mass of aluminium. That is 26.98, 26, so we'll round that up to 27. So round that up to 27. So that is going to be 33.3 by 27. And our answer there is 33.3 by 27. That works out to be 899 grams of aluminium. Okay, so I hope that's okay there. So that is part 2 of our moles, girls. Thank you.